All right, our practice. So we're going to solve each of the following with the given information. So we have, the first one is A divided by 6. This is telling us that A equals 24 here. So let me give some leeway here with our space. There we go. Get some space. Space to work and the answer. Perfect. All right, so we're going to solve them with the given information. So when A equals 24, so we're going to do 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 will be 4 because I know 6 times 4 equals 24. All right, this next one, this means 15 times K, remember. So when K equals 4, 15 times 4. 15 times 4. Well, let's do 15 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 60, or 6. So we'll get 60. Ooh, sorry. We'll get 60 there. And last but not least, 25 divided by W, when W equals 5. So 25 divided by, I'll do divided by 5 is going to be 5. And that's it for our practice. Great job.